Whew. Lydia, what are your brothers' names? Woo! Come here. Can you say Isaac? Say Isaac. Say Owen. Look at Daddy. Look at me. Say Owen. Now say, who's that? Lucy. Who am I?
Daddy.
Who's inside?
Mama.
What's your name? Lydia. Say Lydia.
Gigi.
Say Nana.
Lala.
Say Grandma.
Mimi.
Say Pappy.
Papa.
Say Auntie.
Iti.
Can you say Uncle Buddy?
Papa.
Uncle Buddy.
Bucky.
And say Uncle Ryan.
Yaya.
And Aunt Kelly.
Iti.
Can you say Cousin Bryce?
Boot.
Can you say Bryce?
Boot.
Butt? What's wrong with, get your hand out of there.
Boot.
Did you poop? Did you poop? Did you poop? Let's go. You want a new diaper?
Boot.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Duck. Duck.
Are there ducks? What do the ducks say?
Buck.
What does a horse say?
Nay.
What's an elephant say? What does a rooster say? What does a dog say? What's a cat say? What's a cat say? There's our neighbors out. What does a cat say?
No.
Huh? What's a dinosaur say? What does a lion say? What else? What's a pig say? Lucy, what's a pig say? What? Yeah. What's Lucy say? Ruff, ruff.